If you would like to learn 5 strategies from highly successful people about how to build your cloud architect career, well then if so, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Michael Gibbs and I'm the founder and CEO of Go Cloud Architects, and we are an organization dedicated towards building high-performance cloud computing careers. Today we're going to talk to you about 5 traits that are seen in highly successful individuals and how you can apply these 5 traits to your cloud architect career so you can get the job of your dreams and have the career of your dreams. The first trait we're going to talk about is the ability to delay gratification. Highly successful people, statistically speaking, have the ability to delay gratification. What do I mean by this? If you have the opportunity to spend your money on fun like a trip or spend your money on training is a lot less fun, and not having the money to spend on your vacation because you're spending it on training can be a loss in the short term, but in the long term it can do wonders for your cloud architect career. Let's give you another example. It may be, for example, it's a Friday night and it's 7 o'clock at night and you've got an exam on Monday, but all your friends want to go out on Friday night to go to the bar and get dinner as well. And you know you need to pass that exam by being able to delay that fun party night with your friends and instead being able to focus on studying. You'll pass your exam, you'll get your career. So it's not always about delaying gratification. We have to balance our work and life and our lives. But the ability to delay gratification to get to your goals and dreams is something of highly successful individuals and highly successful cloud architects. The next thing actually pertains to your attitude. Highly successful people have a positive attitude, regardless of the situation. There are times where the environment is just so bad. And sometimes if you can just laugh through the environment and embrace it for what it is and get through it, you will be able to do unimaginably great things in your career. But you have to be able to fight through the unhappiness. And in order to fight through unhappiness, you've got to have a positive attitude. You've got to believe it's possible to win. And you've got to believe in your heart and with your conviction that you can reach your destination. So trait 2 of highly successful people is a positive attitude. Let's talk about this third trait of highly successful people, and that's actually reading. Highly successful people read a lot. When you read, you learn. It improves your writing skills by reading more because you get to see the different types of grammar. But when you read, you learn. And books are often very comprehensive, often far more comprehensive than the average video. And by reading, you can learn. I will tell you in my career, and as long as I can remember for the last 25 years or so, I've tried hard to read at least 1 book per week. And these days, if I can't read them all for time, what I do is I buy audiobooks. And that way I can still get the word-for-word unabridged book. I can listen to it while I'm in the middle of something else. I can focus on it. And in the end, I gain knowledge. So successful people read. I highly recommend reading as much as possible. Read it in your field or read it in the fields that support your field. For example, if you want to work in cloud computing, know that the cloud is nothing more than a network and a data center. So learn some networking and learn some data center stuff. Read it, it'll make you a better cloud architect, and read it and you'll be prepared for unknowable and unknown and unknowable variables that are going to pop in your career. We're going to have that deep technology knowledge. Now, constant improvement. Constant improvement is something that highly successful people do. They are never, ever satisfied. If they've got a 95 on an exam, that's great. They want a 99 or even a 96, but they're always going to work to get closer to perfection. Think about refining your tools. Think about the Olympian. Everything they do all day, every day, except for the rest days, which are pre-programmed, are all focused on achieving their mission. So constantly get better, constantly improve your tool set, constantly sharpen your skills, and you will have a fantastic cloud architect career. Now, I'm going to give you the last one. And the last one, the evidence is so clear. Mental toughness or grit is such a strong capability that every highly successful person, as a rule, is very mentally tough and will not quit. See, if you stay in a challenge long enough and you fight through it, at some point you'll win because the other person on the other end might just get fatigued or burned out. And the harder you work to be better than your competition, and the more you can outwork your competition, the more likely your chances are of success. So become mentally strong. Become someone that will fight through adversity and achieve your goals. Don't let a challenge be scary. Look at the challenge as an opportunity to grow. Run headfirst into that challenge, crush that challenge, and win. you do this, you will have the unbelievable cloud architect career of your dreams. So now you know what our recommendations are. The ability to delay gratification so you have the resources to achieve your goals. Keep a positive attitude, because if you don't believe it's possible, you just can't win. Find a way to become mentally tough so you can keep going, constantly improve yourself, and make sure you read, because we want you to learn as much as possible. Now let me tell you about some free services we offer the Cloud Architect community. Every Monday and every Thursday, we have a free How to Get Your First Cloud Architect Job webinar. We talk about how to get your first tech job, what hiring managers desire, things to be on your resume, certification portfolios that would matter to hiring managers, and much, much more. And as a bonus, we do 1 hour of free coaching where you can ask us any questions and we will answer them live on our Zoom call. Now, every Tuesday, we have a free How to Get Real Cloud Architect Experience at Home webinar. And on this webinar, we will tell you everything that you need to do to become a competent and capable and experienced cloud architect, and you can do all these things in your home. And that way, you'll be able to get hired because you'll have cloud architect technology, and you'll have cloud architect competency, and you'll have cloud architect career skills. So we do that on Tuesdays. Most Wednesdays, not every Wednesdays, most Wednesdays we try and do a YouTube Live. And it's a YouTube Live question and answer session where we just basically take your questions and we answer them real time. We try to do it most Wednesdays. Please subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified of the next one, which we probably will do this Wednesday. Now let me tell you, if you're working on certifications, we have a free, complete AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate course. I will drop the link in the description below. And we have a free AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate ebook. If you're going to take a course, you probably should have an ebook that goes with it. And it's a comprehensive book. I'll leave the link to that free ebook in the description below. Thank you so much for watching these videos. We look forward to seeing you in another video very soon. Take care and have a wonderful day.